Hello kids, look at this beautiful beach. A boy is building a sandcastle. Can you see the sandcastle? A girl is playing with a red ball. What color is the ball? The waves are moving in the sea. Can you see the sea? The sun is shining brightly right there. Reading practice. A boy is building a sandcastle. A girl is playing with a red ball. The waves are moving in the sea. The sun is shining brightly. Great job! And what did we see? We saw a beach, a sandcastle, a ball, and waves. Like, share, and subscribe to Brain Pops for more such fun English reading videos. Thank you.